Need to charge sales tax to your clients? Setting it up correctly in FreshBooks from the start saves you from headaches and potential compliance issues down the road. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. FreshBooks can automatically calculate the right tax on your invoices, but you have to tell it the rules first. First, go to Settings and find the Sales Tax section. Click Add a Tax Rate. You'll give it a name, like State Sales Tax, and enter the percentage rate. Next, you'll assign this tax rate to your products and services. When you create or edit a service item, you'll see a drop-down to select which tax rate applies to it. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: set up multiple tax rates if needed. If you sell to different states or jurisdictions with different tax rates, create a separate tax rate for each one. This ensures every invoice calculates the correct, specific tax automatically. So, just like that, you've automated tax calculations, ensuring you collect the right amount and stay compliant. Do you have to deal with just one sales tax rate, or multiple from different places? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.